નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ રેશિયો એનાલિસિસ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 15. The following is the summarized balance sheet of Tarak Limited as on 31st March 2021. First of all, equity share capital of rupees 100 is 3 lakh. 10% preference share capital 3 lakh. Reserve and surplus, general reserve, profit and loss account, both are reserve and surplus. 10% debenture is the long term liability. Then current liability, creditors, bills payable and outstanding expenses, 3 are current liabilities. Then fixed assets, tangible assets, land building, plant machinery, furniture, 3 are tangible assets. Other non current assets, preliminary expenses. Preliminary expenses is the fictitious assets. Then current assets, stock, debtors, bills receivable and cash and bank balance. 4 are current assets. Additional information, total sales 4,50,000 less cost of goods sold 2,25,000, gross profit 2,25,000 less administrative, selling and financial expenses 75,000. Financial expenses also. Profit before interest and tax 1,50,000. Before interest and tax, less tax 50%, 1,50,000 and net profit 75,000. Tax 50% at 1,50,000 is 75,000 and net profit also 75,000. Opening stock was 45,000. Calculate the following accounting ratios from the above information. First of all, gross profit ratio. Gross profit upon sales into 100. Gross profit 2,25,000 upon sale 4,50,000 into 100 is equal to 50%. 50% is the gross profit ratio. Then current ratio. Current assets upon current liabilities. Total of the current assets 1,20,000 upon current liabilities 45,000 is equal to 2.67:1. This is the current ratio. Then liquid ratio. Liquid assets upon current liabilities. Liquid assets 90,000 upon current liabilities 45,000 is equal to 2:1. 2:1. Then operating ratio is equal to cost of goods sold plus operating expenses upon sales. Cost of goods sold 2,25,000. Operating expenses find करिए तो gross profit minus profit before interest and tax. Gross profit is 2,25,000. Minus profit before interest and tax 1,50,000. 75,000 is the operating expenses upon sales 4,50,000 into 100 and the answer is 63%. Sorry, ये जे 75,000 આવે છે એમાંથી फाइनेंशियल एक्सपेंसेस माइनस થશે, યાદ રાખજો. 2,25,000 is equal to 75,000 minus financial expenses. Financial expenses means interest. Interest on debenture, 10% debenture 1,65,000. 1,65,000 into 10% is equal to 16,500. 58,500 is the operating expenses, 58,500 and answer 63%. Then stock turnover, cost of goods sold upon average stock. Cost of goods sold 2,25,000 upon average stock find करिए. Opening stock plus closing stock upon 2, 45,000 plus closing stock is in balance sheet 30,000 upon 2 and the average is 37,500 upon 37,500 and stock turnover ratio is equal to 6 times. Then debtors ratio, debtors plus bills receivable upon credit sale into 360. Debtors are 40,000 plus bills receivable 15,000 upon credit sale. ત્યાં credit sale કેટલું એવું નથી કીધું એટલે total sale is the credit sale 4,50,000 into 360 is equal to 44 days. Proprietary ratio, owner's fund upon total real assets into 100. तो owners fund ની formula આવશે capital plus reserve minus fictitious assets. Here capital it is 3 lakh equity and 3 lakh preference means 6 lakh plus reserve 1 lakh general and 50,000 profit and loss 1,50,000 minus fictitious assets preliminary expenses 15,000 and the answer is 7,35,000 and real assets is equal to total assets total of the balance sheet 9,60,000 minus fictitious assets is the 15,000 and 9,45,000 is the total real assets. Owners fund 7,35,000 upon total real assets 9,45,000 into 100 100 न करो तो पण चाले is equal to 77.78% and rate of return on capital employed is equal to profit before interest and tax upon capital employed into 100. Capital employed owners fund plus long term liability याद रखજો આવી ફોર્મ્યુલા પણ મૂકી શકાય આ જે owners fund આપણને મળ્યા છે એમાં ડિવેન્ચર પ્લસ કરી દો એટલે capital employed મળે owners fund 7,35,000 plus long term liability ની અંદર આપ્યું છે 10% ડિવેન્ચર 1,65,000 9 lakh is the capital employed આવશે 9 lakh and profit before interest and tax તમને profit before tax આપ્યો છે 6 lakh sorry profit before tax છે 1,50,000 એની અંદર પ્લસ કરી દેવાનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ 1,50,000 પ્લસ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ થાય તમારું 16,500 એટલે ડિવેન્ચર ના 10% 1,65,000 ના 10% 16,500 upon capital employed 9 lakh into 100 and the answer is 18.5%. And finally, return on equity share capital is equal to net profit. Net profit means after tax 75,000 minus preference dividend. Preference share capital 3 lakh 10% means 30,000 upon equity share capital 3 lakh into 100. 45,000 divided by 3 lakh into 100 and the answer is 15%. Thank you friends.